The famous murder case of the CEO of Super TV, Usifo Ataga, resumed today at the Lagos State High Court after the Lagos State DPP, Mrs. Olayinka Adeyemi, finally does file the case at the High Court August 31st. The prime suspect in the case, Chidinma Ojukwu, was arraigned in court earlier today along with her sister and one other person, Adedapo Quadri. Both Chidinma and Adedapo were both charged on a couple of charges together. First off was the charge of conspiring to murder. The second was committing murder with the use of a knife, stabbing the victim several times in the neck, making documents without authority, procuring false assets and UBA bank accounts of Usifo Ataga, and another was allegedly forged an international passport and a driver's license in Chidinma's name. The last count, which was count 8, was that where Chidinma is charged with stealing a couple of phones, an iPhone 7 and an iPhone 11. While Chidinma's sister, Chioma Egbuchu, was charged with being in possession of a stolen iPhone, an iPhone 7, which belongs to Usifo Ataga. The case was adjourned till 9th November 2021 in the Court of Justice Yetunde Adesanya. Chidinma and Adedapo were both not granted bail and have been restrained back in custody, while Chioma Egbuchu, Chidinma's sister, is granted bail on same conditions as she was granted bail by the Lagos State Magistrate High Court. My name is Nosa Okewatons, reporting for Koko TV.